what is your question? You're supposed to be, I considered that, however, her mom wants her home at 4 o'clock. Are you videoing this? I'll kill you.
Why would I do that?
What do you want, Rebecca? No, 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 and no. Because it's never enough of you and it never ends, okay? The story has to come to an end. Shelley comes over, Shelley goes home. I've got things to do. Yeah, because then she's going to have to be home and I'm going to have to drive her home, and no thank you, I've got my own things to do, okay? I made the suggestion, but her mom is going to be here now in 12 minutes. You just called her mother and asked if she could be home at 5? I'm hanging up now. It's hard for me to have just a total nervous breakdown. I have to go. Goodbye. Why am I not making any plans? Turn that thing off.
Yep.
I don't have enough to do. Oh, I can't wait for the summer. I'm telling you. Life is grand.